Hey guys, how's it going? Digivord Gaming here. So clearly this isn't a Digimon video, but I thought I'd like to share this with you guys anyways because I am a huge Legend of Zelda fan. I want to give a quick shout out to the homie Stuffy. He came through, was able to get me this collector's edition, and I also have the special edition Switch, which I will be opening as well. So you guys can take a look, and yeah, let's just get this out of the way. And just a little quick thing, you managed to get this for me at the GameStop. I guess you whenever you pre-ordered, you get one of these slabs. Pretty nice. So I'm really excited. Today's the day where the game is finally out, so I can't wait. I got off of work at 6, making this video now. I am thinking that I want to stream the game, but I probably will wait like maybe a month or two once I already like played the game already. So if you want to see what the game's all about, I'll let you know when I'm gonna start playing it on Twitch, so you guys can follow me on there. So pretty standard. I love this back part of the box. So it includes the game, art book, a steel book, a pin set, and icon art poster. So you can see, pretty sure that's Ganon, and if I'm not mistaken, that might just be Zelda. Calamity in the back. I don't know what this is here, but it's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing stuff. Bring this up in here. You guys can tell I don't really do unboxings for this type of stuff because I'm having trouble with it. So here we got our steelbook cover case and the game, of course. Can't have one without the other. Oh man, there you go. I gave you a little preview there. So here it is. 6 years in the making. Wow. And then the steel book case. Sorry if you hear the helicopter in the background, but that's interesting. This is really nice. Like really nice. I can't even stress how nice this is. Huh. So want to get fancy, there's that. All right, cool. So I'll put it backwards. We also got this pin set. So eager to open. This is really nice. Just the box alone. Tears of the Kingdom. Oh. And I believe this just slides out. Yep. Oh, wow. These are really nice. Man, these are gonna go so nice with my backpack. Wow. I don't even know what these symbols mean yet. I haven't played the game. I've been avoiding spoilers and everything. There you go. That's the pin set right there. I'm not going to take a look at the art book, unfortunately, because there are things I don't want to see before I play. So I'm sorry, you guys. That's just how I am when it comes to these things. Seems like oh, that's weird. Okay, I see. So this comes off. This also comes off. We got the art book here. Wow. I don't know if you guys can really see that well, but this looks amazing. There you go. Back part. Crazy symbol. the eye. Unfortunately, this will have to remain as it is. And then last but not least, wait a second. Where's my painting? Oh, it's right here. Stoops. Oh, that's crazy. So the steel poster. Sorry, backside. Icon art. Oh wow. Oh, it's a magnet. Oh wow. That is really nice. You can just stick this anywhere basically. It's metal. Really nice. Nintendo went all out on this one. In there. And that's about it. I don't think there's anything else in here. This is just a mess. Alright. So this was underneath this. This goes here. Pin set goes over here. I'm assuming this goes up here. And that's it, you guys. I'm sorry, but I thought there'd be a little bit more to show off, but I guess that's just about it, really. Back in its box. Now for the main thing here. So let's just show you guys the back real quick. Got the golden Joy-Cons. It's got the circle patterns like right here, and the dock just looks amazing. See a little more details right here. So let's just open it up because pictures don't do justice. And here we are. Look at that. That looks amazing. So now we're gonna open, well, it's already open, but I'm gonna show you guys the actual Switch OLED. Look at that. Brand spanking new OLED. Oh god, my thumb. Whatever. This is what you guys want to see, right? All the swirly swirls. Looks nice. So I have yet to turn this on and switch my information from my older Switch to the new Switch. That's a fun little thing to do. So there you go. You got your standard HDMI and the dock. Of course, you can't forget the dock. You guys ready? 1, 2. Whatcha? Look at that. Wow, that looks amazing. Wow. Oh look, it says Nintendo Switch on here. Because normally it would say it right here. And it's just a standard dock. It's got these little finishing touches up here. It's nice and smooth. It's actually really smooth. What the hell? Smooth like a baby's bottom. And that's it, you guys. That was pretty quick. There's not really much else to show here. The grips, I guess. The grips are white with the gold finish. So there it is. Tears of the Kingdom Switch Edition. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. No, it's not a Digimon video, but you know, it is a gaming channel, I suppose. And I'll catch you guys later. Also managed to pick this up, the new Link amiibo. Pretty nice.